Today we are making this Florida strawberry basil chicken. Let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is to get our chicken marinated with the same ingredients that are in the rest of our dish. This is a great thing that we can do a day ahead. To cook our dish, I'm going to use a cast iron skillet preheated over medium-high heat. And then I could take my marinated chicken thighs and I want to lay them away from me and be careful of any hot splatter. We want to have a really nice sizzle on this so that we seal in all those wonderful flavors that we marinated it in. Let's go ahead and get started on our Florida strawberry basil topping. I'm just going to use my knife to create a nice little dice on these Florida strawberries. Now it's time to go ahead and dice up our red onions really small. And we're going to add it to our strawberries with a little bit of this white balsamic. And we're going to pull some of these basil leaves off and then tear them into smaller pieces. We've got some of our Everglades seasoning, a little bit of tangerine juice. Give this a good stir. This is going to be a perfect topping for our dish. I think our chicken is just about done, so we're going to remove it from the heat. And then we're going to add our topping right on top of our caramelized Florida strawberry basil chicken. It smells so good. This recipe is on freshfromflorida.com. But in the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.